Hey guys, it's Clay, CPAPmyway, CPAPmyway.com. Today I am here because I want to give you a little better understanding of how you would use CareCredit here at CPAPmyway. We've been taking CareCredit for pretty much our entire existence, so like 10 years. But it's a little bit of a wonky process, to be flat out honest with you. It has gotten easier, and we've put together a really good instructional here so that you can use it easily online with us without having to call in and do everything else. I do want to just right up front though say, if it's easier for you to call in and process CareCredit, that's fine. It's very easy to call during business hours, talk to one of our customer service reps. They can build everything out for you. They can process it by phone. They can send over the signature required stuff. Everything is very, very simple that way as well. But I think for most people, you're probably gonna wanna just do this online. So now we do have that functionality through our dedicated secure payment link, which I'm gonna have obviously this entire screen record and some links and everything in the description below so that you can really quickly access all this stuff. But my main goal is for the, I think, 30 million Americans out there that are that have CareCredit. Tons of us do, whether you've had something at, you've had to do something at the vet's office, you've had to do something at the dentist office. Lots of people have CareCredit. We take it. We want to make it easy for you. All right, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to show you on the computer here how I would walk through the process to use CareCredit at CPAPmyway.com. All right, so the first place I really want you to start, and I'm going to have this link in the description, is going to be our CareCredit blog. And it is very user-friendly. You will see how to use CareCredit online to purchase CPAPmyway. And it has a real quick, if you go to the already an account holder, that's mainly what this, this blog is for. I do have the instructions on how to set up a CareCredit account so that you could use CareCredit with us. But this video is for people that already have CareCredit that want to buy CPAP equipment. So the first thing I want you to do is to build your cart, right? Find out what you want. So let's just, for instance, say that I am trying to get a new CPAP machine. And so I want to start off with one of these starter bundles. Top rated is the AirSense 11 Auto Bundle. And what we're gonna do here is just scroll down, find the mask we wanna use. Do we want supplies with it? Probably if you're gonna finance this, you may wanna go ahead and maybe get the full year of supplies to go along with your machine. That'd be a great deal. And then we're just gonna add that to cart. If we want protection, obviously get that. If you need to protect your equipment, that's awesome. And then you're going to see your total over here, and I want you to just go to checkout, but stop here. At checkout, I just want you to get your total, right? Here you're going to see your total, right? And this is what you're going to use to pay us on CareCredit. So the next thing I want you to do once you've gotten your total is go to our secure CareCredit payment portal from the blog. And then on the right side, you're going to see pay. Use CareCredit to pay your provider online. This is where you are going to log in as the customer, continue, and you will be already linked, as you can see here, to CPAPmyway, so you know you're paying us. If you don't see that, go back to the blog and use that link again. Maybe something went wrong. Put in all of your information, and then you're going to continue on down to the total. And remember, the total is going to be what you had in your cart, the $1,860. What we really prefer you do, if you're tech savvy at all, is to screenshot this so that we know exactly what you have put into your cart. But if you build the cart, it typically keeps it on the back end for us, especially if you're logged into your Shopify account. So we should be able to look it up on the back end, even if you don't send the screenshot over to us via email. Once you've completed all this, you're going to get your confirmation. And at that point, you're going to shoot us an email saying, hey, I just paid you guys for my AirSense 11 bundle and Mulberry protection plan. I would like for you guys to process that for me. And you will go right into the processing queue, just like anybody else that checked out on our website. We will even manually add the checked out cart to the system so that you get confirmation and everything as if you were to have paid us directly on the Shopify payment system here. It is important, and at this point, I just want to make sure, don't hit pay now. Do not complete the checkout on Shopify. We're asking you to ignore this. So at this point, you could just hit the back button, get out of this so that you're not going to accidentally pay me twice. And once you've sent that confirmation over, we will get to work and we will get your products headed your way.